Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your screenshot save location on your MacBook. So for this guys, first you need to launch the screen recording app like this. Okay, after launching, select the screenshot and then go to options menu, and here you can get the option to change the location. So here it will show you some default location. I have already selected desktop. If you want to change the location to document, clipboard or any other location, so just click on other location. From here you need to select your location, or if you want to create a new folder, from here you can easily able to create that new folder. Click on new folder, give your folder name and then save it, and then last you need to click on choose option. That's it. Okay, so from here you can easily able to change the screenshot save location on your MacBook. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.